Good afternoon, Dr. Pritchard. Megan here, reporting back to you with the results of the online collaborative tools that my team tested. There were 5 tools tested: Slack, Trello, Skype, Dropbox, and Google Docs. Within a corporate environment, collaboration is paramount. Using all 5 tools together gave our team the opportunity to build strong connections with team members and collaborate through user-friendly platforms which we could access from anywhere. My experience using the tools did also highlight the issues of data security, profile management, and reliability, which all need to be considered before an online collaborative tool can be recommended. The first advantage in scaling up online collaborative tools is their ability to encourage team building and create a strong connection with team members, particularly those separated by distance. It is through Skype that we were able to learn more about each other's personalities. This aspect of Skype would be particularly useful in communicating with different branches in different geographical locations. Skype, however, was our most unreliable tool. As can be seen here, team members were often not able to join the call, and the bandwidth of other team members highly impacted the quality of the call. I believe that the unreliability far outweighed the benefits, and using Skype would only produce further issues from a managerial perspective. When communicating within an information service environment, the ability to control the flow of discussion is essential, and tools such as Slack are able to do this. Slack's user-friendly interface, as can be seen here, allows for different channels of conversation, direct messaging, and drop and drag capabilities. When scaling up, these features would mean that the questions would reach the correct channel and not get lost in the conversation. According to Head, Slack's security is secure, so much so that Malcolm Turnbull even recommended that his cabinet use Slack. Despite this, it is important that security settings are established to ensure that the information discussed within them stays secure. Based on the overall effectiveness of Slack, I would recommend scaling up the free version of Slack for use in the AWIS. With the connection established, creating a team schedule in Trello enabled our team to stay on task. Trello's interactive boards, as can be seen here, provided a clear visualization of the schedule and deadlines and would be a beneficial project management tool for employees in the AWIS. Trello boards can be made private and all data can be sent over a secure connection. I would recommend that the AWIS use the free version and potentially sign up for the $8.33 a month business class package to access the benefits of controlling the tasks that members can perform. Once clear deadlines were set by Trello, Google Docs enabled our team to create and edit content seamlessly, with real-time updates and features which can be seen here. This would significantly help with the time management and effectiveness for group projects within the AWIS. Google Docs eliminates the need to send, upload, or search for the latest version of the document, as it is already at our fingertips. Google Docs is secured by a 2-step verification process. However, it does not automatically sign a user out after a period of inactivity. This could potentially leave information stored within the tool vulnerable. Reliability is also an issue. If an individual leaves the organisation, all business-related information tied up in the docs they own could potentially be lost. Taking into consideration these factors, I would recommend that AWIS use the $10 a month Google Apps work plan so each team member has unlimited storage. In the implementation of Google Docs, it will be the training of staff in how to appropriately share and name files, which will be essential to the success of the tool. Once editing was completed in Google Docs, Dropbox enabled us to share a master copy with correct formatting within our team folder and keep backups, ensuring that documents were not tied to the one person's computer. The disadvantages of Dropbox is that employees could potentially drag sensitive information over to their computer desktop, leaving it vulnerable to security threats. In my use of Dropbox, its reliability was heavily influenced by its internet connection. It is for this reason I would not recommend the use of Dropbox for the AWIS. Finally, with apps available for all 5 tools, training on how to secure employees' electronic devices should be provided so that the tools implemented for use by the AWIS are secure. In conclusion, using all 5 tools together within our project helped encourage team building within a team which was spread across different states and time zones. Each tool served a different purpose for our group throughout the different stages of collaborating on our report. There was no one tool that covered all the team's needs. just as there will be no one program to cover all the needs within an organisation. Our team was effective as we were able to distinguish the main advantages gained from individual tools and utilise them.